Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you have been cleaning your grout with a toothbrush, it's time to stop. It's time to get yourself one of these Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubbers. With the push of the button, it does the scrubbing for you. The bristles on this are much tougher than a toothbrush. I like that it has two options. You can either press the button and pulse and use it as needed, or if you have a big job ahead of you, press the button and then push it up and it will stay on the spinner mode, so it does all that scrubbing for you and you can almost relax. And the head is also removable, so if you need to wash it after cleaning out your grout or your nasty grill grates, then you can remove this part separately and wash it. This is such a simple tool. It works so much better than a toothbrush because the bristles are nice and tough. They're not cleaning delicate teeth, they're cleaning grout, tile, and grates. And also, I mean, really, it's considered a power tool. So save the toothbrushes for what they're supposed to be used for and get a Rubbermaid Reveal for what it's supposed to be used for. And that's just my point of view.